These are this for the audience.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. Hi, hello. Martijn.
It's often here?
What's that?
This weather is often here? No, not the weather.
So how come your English is so good?
Yeah, through the school and through the teams. We have also in Czech some international players. When you want to speak with them, you also learn it a little bit. So yeah, in this just figure just the important things. Yeah.
How long have you kind of known?
To be honest, like the first contact, but just the questions with agents and the club, 1 week maybe. Yeah. But when I speak with the coach, he said, he's interested from the last season, from the January.
He said that.
Yeah, so it was nice to hear. But yeah, in general, it was one week. But everything official, for me, was yesterday. Yeah.
Did you speak with Vitor, the coach?
Yes, I speak with him.
What was the conversation?
It was in the general, the first thoughts. He want to show me or say. And his ideas, how he think I will fit in the game, etc. So just the basic things, and it makes a good impact on me. I like it. So it was interesting. It was interesting. Yeah.
And that kind of works really well for us.
Of course.
So we're fine.
The horses are traditionally always exploding at the end of the season.
And sometimes they'll use the top corner of the field at the top.
Yeah, so visa in about 20 minutes, so food first, then visa, and then it's not Domenico after that, if that's alright. Perfect.
How are you? You okay? Good. So have some this week and then we'll start to get the visa on the way and then we'll go to the visa after that. Okay, good.
So I'm moving on. Okay, so leave it to get changed, so back in 2 minutes, okay? Perfect.
That complete data, so the machine is constantly.
Sorry?
Can you do that and program?
Speak Spanish? No, just some basics. I'm trying to learn. But it's also a little bit hard that in Girona is to play.
Hello. Good evening. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know. We'll see.
Oh wow, yeah. Okay. Right. Well,
You okay?
yeah, of course, yeah. Okay.
See you in a bit.
Okay, right, let's do this.
Yeah.
Thank you, team.
Okay.
Take a shot after. Ladislav, look to that side, please. Okay, get your feet slightly together. Yeah, perfect. Fill up the lows and back. Cross line, look to your right. Your left. Okay. Now. Silence. Side. Okay, now. In front, just your head. Right. Inflection, the extension. So 138 on the right.
Yeah.
Full extra. It's full extra. Okay. Down. Relax.
Perfect. So we're going to relax. 120. Excellent. Good stuff. Let me just check my documents, make sure we've not missed anything else off. Yeah, we've done everything. in 50%. You ready? Go on then. 3, 2, 1. Good. And relax. Straight into the out. Good. You just on the floor. Little 50% effort. Are you ready? Push, 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 push. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And relax. Nice. A little breather. Very good. Very good, mate. 500. Very well. 4 and then instead of that palm, I want you to drive through the quad instead. Okay. Alright? Get yourself set in this position. 3, 2, 1. Drive, drive, drive. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And relax. Well done. You do. That's perfect. You'll do that for 3 seconds, and then I'll say go, and then you'll go maximum. Oh, okay? Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's drive, 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 drive. Relax. Really symmetrical. Very good. Okay, well done, mate. That is it with me.
Good. Thank you.
So that's the big reason to get scanned, to be honest with you. So yeah, everything good. Done. All right. So what I'll do is I'll put a report together then, probably in the morning now, myself and then Domenico and Matt and Vitor will just chat about stuff, and then they've got to look on sorted out and to go. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Morning.
Good?
Nice to see you. Hello.
Do you sleep well?
Yeah.
Much better now.
Yeah. Good. Morning.
How are you?
Morning. Good. You?
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Come on, let's go in. Let's take you through. I'll show you where we're going.
So we have to do full shoots in 3 kits. So it's a bit of changing, but hopefully it shouldn't be too much. So we'll start with you home, if that's all right.
I wouldn't use it while you guys.
No, sorry.
That's what you say.
There we go. Okay, so just to start, we'll just do some front-facing ones. So a few different ones we'll do, and then I'll just talk you through the rest. Like, that's it. And pointing up as well. Pointing up, looking up as well. That's it.
Should we go to the second kit now?
Which one's your favourite?
Sorry?
Which one this one?
Yeah.
I'll
This is my favorite. I think. Yeah, I like
do
it.
that.
It's nice texture as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like the stuff. Very good.
I'll bring them back in the meantime.
And we go the hands as well again there. That's it. Hands on hips as well there. That's it, yeah. Now we go for your celebration.
So not each space is
Hold that.
personalised. So you get like your own video, sort of like your clips and like graphics for you as well.
And this is from yesterday game?
Yeah. Oh, it's from yesterday, yeah. So they turn around quite quickly.
Nice.
Let's take it through. Yeah. Lovely stuff. Perfect. So, Ladislav. Yeah.
Ladislav, welcome to Wolves.
Thank you.
How excited are you to get going here?
Very, very exciting. Even the first view in the club, it's very beautiful for me, very amazing. So I cannot wait for others.
How excited are you for the next step here in the Premier League?
most excited. Biggest league in the world. Big achievement for myself as a dream. So I'm very glad for this opportunity from the club and from everyone who is involved in this. That put faith in me, and I hope I will give it back.
Yeah, that's good.
You ready?
All set. And I'll just do a close-up of the badge.
You get what you need, I'll set this light up.
Perfect, thank you.
So, you ready, Joe?
Yeah, I'm all set.
Okay, so first one, just keep, if Joe moves around you, just keep looking at the lens for me 1 second.
Just across a little bit more. Yeah, that's good.
Hand up, like that. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
More, yeah?
Yeah, it should take us like
Right, let's get the shot.
2, 1.
That's a little bit, mate. So it's going to be like a silhouette. So you're going to be like a shadow, and then that's going to be like the. That's it. If we do that again, so side to side, and then under your arm. So change your pan. So go sideways for me, and then this one, just almost treat it like you're waiting to go out the tunnel. So maybe just like bouncing on your toes, sort of like this, that sort of stuff, like little rolling now. Yeah. Maybe like this. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Top man. Thank you guys.
Thanks,
Was good.
nice.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Lovely stuff. That's it, I think, for us.
Yeah, so we're going over back to, yeah, okay, cool.
So, thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you.
Alright, see you later, guys.
Ciao.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. See you later. See you soon. Yeah? Thank you.
Very good.
Hello, once again.
Welcome.
Good. Thank you. How are you?
Very good, and you?
Yeah, nice. Little bit tired with busy, but yeah, good.
After talking long time, we are together.
Yeah.
Great. Welcome to Wolves.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Have you had a chance to speak to Vitor?
No, not yet.
Okay, let's go together.
Yeah,
We say him.
Good.
I have news for you.
Nice to meet you as a person.
Me too. Huh? You, everything okay?
Yeah.
Fun.
A lot of things to do, like
Of
busy,
course.
but yeah.
You found the house or not? Lisa?
Of course.
Yes?
Yeah. She's top. She's helped us a lot. Also my girlfriend, so she's top.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I will help you, and
Yeah,
for sure you will help us. Okay?
Thank you. I
Okay.
can't wait.
Yes? You are happy?
Yeah.
Good.
A little bit sleep and it will be
Of course.
top.
Of course. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice
for
to meet
sure.
you and
Okay?
yeah. Thank you.
Name and contact number for them.
Okay, only one of the phones?
Both is
Both,
ideal
yeah.
if it's okay. Right, this is the loan agreement. Unfortunately, you have to initial. Agent form, so if you initial here.
Excellent.
Done.
Well
Eh?
Brilliant. Thank you.
Excellent, well done. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Brilliant.
Thank you so much.
Lovely.
Alright, and 1, 2, 3, tick on bunch. Perfect.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you
Let's
so
go
much.
training.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
go training.